Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Today we are visiting to Puri, the most ancient and the culturally rich city of Odisha. Puri is situated 69 kilometers away from the capital city Bhubaneswar. Puri is mostly known as the city of Lord Jagannath and also one of the 4 Chardhams in India. Puri is famous for the Lord Jagannath temple and for its mesmerizingly beautiful sea beaches. Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath is the most famous festival celebrated in Puri. Every year lots of pilgrims travel to Puri to see the Trinity Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra and the goddess Subhadra outside of the temple on their 3 chariots. Puri is a very beautiful, attractive and magnificent destination to spend some quality time. So it's a humble request to all of you, please try to visit Puri at least once in your lifetime. And I promise it will be a great experience of your life in the divine city Puri. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share.